Hello everybody, this is Elaine. I just wanted to show you some projects and cards I've been creating with the Sure Do Love You bundle from Stampin' Up. So this is the stamp set and this is the coordinating dies. And this piece right here makes quite a few things. It doesn't just make the box. So this is the box that it makes. It's very cute and the narrow note cards fit right inside. So it's perfect for a little gift. And then, whoops, one more note card. So I used the bundle to stamp all these little cards and then they fit right in the box. So you can also use this die and just take one piece and then you can make this cute little box. All you have to do is score it at 2 1/8 and 2 3/4, and then you get this cute little box. So I did one in Calypso Coral and one in Rich Razzleberry. Or you could take one piece and you can cut out a front piece and just make a single flap thin holder that you could put like a gift card or a little card in or something like that. You can also make boxes. I love boxes. So this is the first box that I made. And I cut it, the heart out and did a little window sheet on there. And I put some Ready Shreddy in there. You can do the box this way, or if you want, you can do the box with all the flaps at the top. And then just put a 3x3 piece of cardstock on the bottom and then score the bottom at 1/2 inch. So score 1/2 inch so that you can attach the bottom to each piece. So there's another box. And yet another box is similar in concept. You just do the petal fold on top and you score at 2 inches from the bottom. And then you'll get this box. Super duper cute. Cute, cute, cute. All right, some cards. So here's one Valentine card. This is similar to the one found in the Occasions catalog, but I flipped it landscape. And then here's another card, also similar to the catalog, but I changed the heart from a vellum heart to a gold embossed heart. I'm just loving all the gold. The gold is so fun. And then here's just a simple one with the softly falling embossing folder. And then this one's really fancy. This one, my downline Donna and I saw on another demonstrator's website and we thought it was really fun. So we are going to make these at my demonstrator meeting tonight. Super cute. And then I also did these fun shaker cards. So these are just using the 4x6 cello bags that Stampin' Up sells and just inserting a 4x5 1/4 piece of cardstock and then just pouring the glitter, this is the gold glitter, inside and taping the back closed. And then you get this really fun shaker card. You can do it in all colors. You could change the size of it. Just super fun. So lots of fun ideas with the Sure Do Love You bundle. I hope you purchase it. You can purchase it by going to eStampin.com and click on the shop link. And if you shop online this month, I am going to send you a free gift for each online order. And if your order is $50 or more, you can choose celebration benefits for every $50, as well as I will be sending you 5 exclusive card tutorials that you can't find anywhere else and that's not going to be on anybody's blog or posted anywhere. So You'll definitely want to place those orders, get your celebration item, and get these 5 free tutorials. I also will give you 10 free card tutorials if you order over $100. So lots of special deals this month. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the Sure Do Love You bundle as much as I do.